Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this post will get to you. And I want to tell you, as you are growing up, you enter your school, you graduate from school, it's not everyone, it's not everybody that will go to university in abroad. No, it's not everybody. It's not everybody's business that will succeed abroad. Do you know this? It's not everybody's work that will succeed abroad. Do you know this? Do you know this? As an engineer, do you know where you are going to prosper abroad? Do you know the side you are going to go? It's not everyone. A lot of people are asking me, Love Ada, I've been trying to travel. I've been doing this. In fact, I say, if God wants you to travel, sometime, when did He want you to travel? There are people that travel from beginning of their life. There are people that are meant to be there. They will not even return. There are people that are meant to go there, come back. You see them establish their business here. They travel there. They even have money more than the people that are there. They are comfortable. What you'll be asking yourself and asking your God is this: am I comfortable where I am? If you are comfortable where you are, why are you running up and down? Why are you rushing from one place to another? Why do you want to go and disturb people that are staying there? There are people over there that they don't even have, they cannot give themselves 3 square meals. It's because there are free food there. If not, they can't give themselves 3 square meals. You are better than them. Don't look at someone and you want to be like that one. I've been telling you this, all my fans. Be yourself. Be happy for yourself. Wherever you want to go, don't go in because of someone. Because somebody like me, I'm okay in Nigeria. If I want to go out, travel out of the country, I'm just traveling for visits. I visit and come back. I don't want to live there. That is the truth. That is the truth about me. So even my children, anybody that want to live there, you are free to be there. But for me, Love Ada, no, I don't want to live there. But I like to go there. I like to come back. So if you are coming here for me for give you advice and you search for visa for 4 years, for 6 years, you've not gotten your visa. First of all, I will ask you about your preparation. Have you prepared? Are you prepared? What and what? There are still people of my mates that are still trying to travel. Even because they want to travel, they have not established here. Because they want to travel, all their money. I advise someone who has been playing football, trying his best. You know, the family have been contributing money for him to travel. Sometimes they go in wayo, sometimes they do this. I call the guy, I say, sit down. What's the problem? I told him, I said, just first of all, what you do is this. This football I'm playing, go and marry. You go and get handwork. Get handwork. Start your business because he has a little business he's doing. Expand to it. Marry first. Let your hair calm down. You are 32. You are still writing under 2021, under 20. You are writing it, and the 30-something is appearing all over your faces. I advised him. Thank God he took my advice. He is giving big birth to 2 kids and he's doing well here. Yes, did his education career, his football career, did he stop? He stopped because he didn't travel. He didn't know how to travel. He didn't get it. It is not his luck. A lot of people travel. A lot of his friends travel. He didn't travel. You are not meant to be there. Simple. And he made it here. He came back to thank me.